Kushner. I'm owner of Cuts Incorporated in Knoxville, Tennessee. We are a concrete cutting company that also developed attachments to make our jobs easier and more convenient. We offer here at Cuts Incorporated, we have the SS3600, which is our flat sawing attachment. We have an EX3600 for mini excavators and small excavators. We also make core drill attachments. We're working on several other prototypes for mini skid steers and excavators as well for different kinds of coring and cutting needs. The SS3600, which is a flat sawing attachment that's capable of 15.5 to 18.5 inches of cutting depth. So this thing pairs well with the T86. It has a power priority flow, which gives it more power to the attachment, so it cuts great on this machine. So the benefits of this attachment is it's very little maintenance. The only maintenance you have to do on this thing is one grease fitting on the front of the saw. The rest is all powered by the skid steer itself. The other thing is this thing's half the cost of the newer flat saws. We also make these locally in Knoxville, Tennessee, so we have a large stock of them and can produce within a couple weeks. We do customize attachment to each machine. For Bobcat, we add our own priority electronics on it, so it runs off the 7-pin. It pretty much plug and play on any kind of skid steer. One of the other benefits to this machine is being able to get into lots of places you can't with a standard flat saw. So if you notice a small flat saw, a regular walk behind floor saws, they have small wheels. They get caught in lots of different crevices or uneven concrete. So if the concrete's really broken up, we're able to just traverse over that with the skid steer and the attachment. So you can get in a lot of different places and cut up sidewalks, so you're not having to out there bent over with a handsaw cutting up hundreds of foot of sidewalk. You can just run out here with your machine, the attachment, and just cut it in a couple seconds. The benefits of our saw versus the standard floor saw and cutting it up is we were able to get in here, get across the very rough patches of concrete that would have got a regular flat saw stuck. We are able to produce, depending on what machine we put it on in horsepower, we're able to produce anywhere from 60 to 90 horsepower to the shaft of the saw. So you're getting large horsepower saw for half the cost with the same cutting depth of 15.5 to 18.5 inches in depth. So out here today, the company that bought our attachment, they are cutting the parking lot of the transportation company here. They've got a lot of concrete here, and so they're cutting up patches, removing really bad area concrete. They're cutting the perimeter with our saw, cutting it up into pieces where they can come and lift it out and get rid of it, and then they'll come in and put in new concrete.